Welcome to the Academic Success and Advising Center's mini workshop series. Our goal is to provide short but helpful presentations that will assist you with academic skills. This test-taking presentation offers some test prep tips to get you ready for tests and exams. Enjoy! Worried about successful study habits? Here are a few to keep in mind when prepping for a test. Always make sure you're paying attention in class and taking notes, but also make sure to review these notes after class. When studying for a test, always start at least 5 days in advance to successfully retain the material. Never hesitate to ask questions to your professors or classmates about concepts you might not understand, and make sure you're studying in a quiet area that's free of distractions, so try avoiding your room or bed. You should create a study schedule that balances with your other obligations, and remember that forming study groups and quizzing each other is a great way to share ideas and prep for an exam. If you can incorporate at least a few of these into your study habits, you'll be on the right track. When thinking about prepping for a test, remember these ideas. Plan, organize, rehearse, practice, and evaluate. All of these steps help you prepare for an exam, starting with thinking about the test, then organizing your materials, testing out some study methods, diving into studying techniques such as flashcards or review sheets, and then figuring out how prepared you feel or whether you think there is other material to review. Once you get your exam, quickly jot down any formulas, ideas, or definitions that you think you might forget. Then you can relax a bit more. Always look at the whole exam before you start, and before you hand it in, review it again to make sure you've answered all questions. If you get stuck, don't hang out on a question. Instead, mark it and make sure to come back to it later. After the test, gauge your experience. Think about how you did, where you struggled, how you could have prepared differently, and answer any questions correctly that you got wrong. This last slide offers tips and techniques for different test questions, including multiple choice, true or false, short answer, and essay questions. You might want to pause the slide to jot down these ideas. For multiple choice questions, always try to answer the question before looking at the answer options. Then go with the answer that best matches your first instinct. For true or false questions, the key is looking for specific words that could make the statement more likely to be true or false. In short answer and essay questions, be mindful of your time, outline your answers, and make sure to be direct and detailed in your responses. We hope you found this mini workshop helpful, and good luck on all future exams.